superhuman, levitating, going to the moon, and blast off, yeah. You see my true plan, spreading joy, feeling new, yeah. Showing up with my best self, bam. Look at that, I'm feeling good, alright. I'm feeling good, alright. Watch me get it live.
Pure love deserves a pure gold.
Wow!
See you later.
Gumiginto.
I love you so much, Ann. Wow!
Gumiginto.
Ano
Gintong
kaya
ngipin
to?
ba yan?
Bebe ko, bebe mo. Wow!
The plan, spreading good vibes. Showing up with your bad self. Bam. You can have all
Baby ko, I know how much you like jewelry, especially golds. So today, kahit madami ka ng golds, this simple gift can be added to your collection of jewels. At hindi lang yan, isinama ko na din ng mga ATMs ko. Wow! Ako na ang magsasabi ng, bebe pahingi pambili, bebe pahingi pambayad sa Shopee. I love you so much, bebe ko.
on time. Watch me get it.
Now anak that you are now anak na ikakasal ka na, ang sasabihin ko lang sa'yo, pagpatuloy mo yung pagiging good girl mo sa aming lahat.
On time. Ooh. Watch me get it live. Yeah. Yeah. Number one. Yeah. Watch me get it live.
No, wag kang ang kagsang-sangit. Ang kagsang-sangit. Yan may bagam. Oh, may bagam. Awanan, may bagamon. Thank you sa pag-aalaga at pagpapalaki and sa pagpapaaral, sa lahat ng support. And yun. And bumabawi naman ako sa lahat ng nagawa niyo sa akin and sa aming magkakapatid. So, yun. Thank you. Sangit dun. Lululuyok no.
It's so obvious, forever calling us, and this time we won't wait.
Baby ko, Joselito Sipnyo Olinares. Today, I am the happiest. I am marrying the biggest plot twist of my life. Naalala mo nung first time natin magkita? Malalang pangbubugaw na ginagawa ko sa'yo nun pero ayaw mo. Now, alam ko na why. Ako pala ang gusto mo. Para ka pala sa akin.
Our story starts here. Before our eyes, now
Joselito, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife? Yes, Father. Judy Ann, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
it's so obvious, forever.
Bebe ko, I stand before you in complete surrender, with all my love and whole heart, ready to give all that I am and all that I will become.
Our story starts here. Before our eyes, now we find it all becomes so clear. Our story starts here. Our story is, our story is, our story is, our story, our story is, our story is, our story is, our story.
Tuparin ninyo ang misyon ninyo na mamuhay ayon sa pagmamahal ng Diyos. Nakahanda kayong magsakripisyo para sa ikabubuti na inyong partner. Hindi lang si Joselito ang nakahandang magmahal, magmalasakit. Para kay Julian, si Julian din ay kinakahandang magmalasakit upang mabubuklod palagi ang pagmamahalan, ang pag-aasawa ninyo habang buhay.
Our story starts here. Before our eyes, now we find it all becomes so clear. Our story starts here.
Bebe, always remember, sobrang swerte mo. Promises. Kasi nasa tamang dragon ka na. Ay, natin ka unay-unay. I love you so much, Lito, my Navy. Oh, I love you.